Hey guys, welcome back to Klarmann Builds Your Ride. Today we got the Stockman Rover Camper trailer in. This thing's small, but it packs a punch. But before we get into it, let's roll the intro. So let's head to the back because that's where all the fun stuff is. Let's open her up. Alright, so up to right here we got the 85 litre Bushman upright fridge. And we installed a Anderson plug on the side there for it. As well as a fuse for the solar panel. Up top we got a 390 watt solar panel. This thing's massive, so you get all the sunlight you need. And then right here's the gas cooker, and we'll just swing this out of the way so we can get it's underneath. So underneath this sink and bench, this is where all the magic is. So we lift that up. Right here at the start we got a 200 amp hour lithium battery, and just on the side here, mounted on the bracket, we got the shunt from Victron, as well as the fuse holder underneath. And then just down here we got the MPPT solar controller from Victron as well. All this gear is pretty much Victron, besides the Redarc BCDC 1240. And then right here's the brain of the whole system. This is from Victron. This is the Cerbo GX, and this everything hooks into this one, and this controls basically everything. Everything plugs into it, and then you can connect your phone to it, so you can view all your battery level, your water tank level, everything right from here. And then over here we got the 2000 VA Multiplus inverter from Victron, which is connected to shore power with a plug just around on the side. So you can plug your shore power into here, which will feed 240 volt into the system, charging your batteries, so you can run all your appliances. Or if you don't have shore power, that's no worries, because you can, with this inverter and the battery, you can run 240 appliances still. You got this plug here that you can plug in. You got a notch out here so you can run your cable out. So if you got like an induction cooktop, you can just whack it on here and cook away. And then just down here, we've got two outlets, USB, and then just cigarette. And just next to that, we got our switch for our light, a national lunar light. This one's dimmable and also change the color, so you don't have to worry about bugs. And then we installed this Anderson right next to the 240 plug, and this is so that the customer can plug in their travel buddy and can sit in here. And then we got all this space with all these drawers and cupboards. So just here we've got the gas cooker, and then just under the massive bench and sink we have our completed electrical setup. And with this setup, the customer can go fully off grid and have all the power that they need. So with this massive bench you can do all your cooking and your cleaning with the sink as well. And let's head inside now. Open this up. Alright, so just over here from Stockman, they have got this nice switch panel with 5 switches here, as well as an additional 3 switches here. So as you got a water tank gauge here, and then you got 2 outlets. Got your stereo system, and then just up here we've installed the Victron GX Touch 50 from Victron. So you can monitor, instead of monitoring on your phone, you can monitor on the screen here. You can see how much you're pulling, how much battery percentage you've got. If you've got shore power, we'll show you how much shore power is coming in, solar, This is a really great product from Victron. You can monitor everything either on the screen or on your phone. And then just up the front here, we got 2 Sirocco fans. These things are awesome. Change them any direction you want. So these fans have 3 speeds, so they're great in summer. When it's really hot, you can turn them right up. Or in winter, you can put it on a really low setting and just get a little bit of airflow on those cold nights. So that's a whole installation completed now, and this is the first time I've ever seen one of these camper trailers, and I'm really surprised for the size that these are. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. You can go fully off-grid, and they're super lightweight, so they're great for towing. So with all that gear that we've installed, this tiny little trailer packs a massive punch, and this trailer is now ready to be towed anywhere. So if you want more information on builds like this, you can head to our website at klarmann.com.au or subscribe and like our YouTube channel, Ready to Drive Anywhere, and we'll see you next time.